In this video, I will show you how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. So first, let's lock our chat. So swipe to the left and click on More on the chat you want to lock. Click on Lock Chat. And you can either use this with your Face ID or with your passcode. So click on Continue. And right now we have locked our chat. Right now we're going to the All Chat section. And from this All Chat section, we're going to swipe down. And when we swipe down, we will see Locked Chats. So go ahead and click on this. In order to hide this, we're going to click on Settings at the top right. And in here we click on Hide Locked Chats. So let's create a secret code in here. So go ahead and enter something you want. Just make it memorable. So I'm going with test. And again, going with test, click on done. And right now my chat is hidden. So how can you find this hidden chat? Well, watch this very closely. So go to your search bar on WhatsApp and then type in exactly the secret code that you created, and that is test. And as you can see, my locked chats will open up, and that is how you access it. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.